Dragons.
Dragons are in stories. They are not real. Dragons look like large lizards. They can look like dinosaurs. Dragons have 4 legs. They have scales. Dragons have claws. The claws are sharp. Dragons have long necks. They have large tails. Some dragons fly in stories. They have large wings. Dragons have horns. They have very large teeth. Some dragons can breathe fire. A dragon can be good. They can help people. Some dragons are not happy. They blow fire at people. Dragons like to live in caves. They keep gold in the cave. Red and gold dragons make fire. Blue dragons make lightning. A green dragon makes green gas. A silver dragon can make ice. Some people say dragons are magical. Dragons are from stories. Dragon books are fun to read.